Hello and welcome back to another trade recap. Today it is Tuesday, the 6th of January, and I took some bad trades on my eval. I tried shorting up here and it didn't really work out that great. Um, so I tried some shorts on this RB and then up here as well. I tried a short here in this Ferrari gap, which also lined up with 10 AM, but I got stopped out. So yeah, overall very bad on these accounts. However, I took a win on my Alpha Eval and on my two Express accounts, and I took this long, which I want to go through with you guys and why I took it. So coming into today, I was basically pretty bearish. I wanted to see this low resistance liquidity get swept out and also all of this. But we just did like yesterday where we just shot up and it was kind of hard to find a good PY for shorts, and which is probably why I got stopped out on my shorts on the evals. But here I kind of got confirmed that we were gonna probably just do like yesterday, go up and then later go down and then continue up. So then I saw this very nice zone for longs, which I put a limit out and I also shared it in my Discord. And why this is a very nice zone is because we have true day open right there, which lines up pretty well with 0.79 of this entire range. And when these two, a key open lines up with a fib, they work very well and very often play out. And we also have a 5-minute Trinity block right there, which also lines up with the level. And we have this 15-minute Ferrari gap, which also lines up with the level. And then we have this 5-minute rejection block, which starts right here. So a lot of levels lining up right here, and that's why I had my limit here. The only problem with this trade is kind of big SL. I had my SL right here because I could CS1 to go down to C of this week. However, I could have possibly had a shorter or smaller SL, maybe like 15 points right there to get some playroom, but 7.9 is here. This is the zone I want to see reversal from, so we should not want to go down here, basically. So could have probably done a tighter SL, and then I could have also had a TP1 right here. But yeah, this was the trade and this was the level I wanted long off of, and this actually became like the low of New York session, basically, or after open at least. Right here, very nice bottom tick. I trailed my SL. Let's see. So we get a very nice reaction off of it. Then we rebalance this most current range right here. So I wait for this low to get put in place right here. I'm at stop loss break even. So wait for that low to get in place, which also rebalance this most current range. So then once we break above here, I trade my SL to that low. Once we break above here, and then once we come down, we make another low and we break above. So here I trade my SL to this low, and then I actually trailed my SL to this low right there, this internal low, just because I viewed it as if we're gonna come down and sweep this low, we're very most likely just gonna come down and sweep all of this. So basically just to protect capital. However, I maybe should not have trailed SL this much. Maybe I should have just been break even, because we created this very nice 15-minute rejection block, which had inducement, meaning a low hanging right before CE. So this was a very nice zone to enter long as well, right here. This was a very good long right there, with stop loss right there. Would have run straight to TP. So probably just trailed SL too much, and it could have been a TP trade, but yeah, it is what it is. Still a very good trade, and I'm happy that I saw this in the live market.